I got a new t-shirt. Okay, so hi guys, hope you guys are doing fine, hope you guys are doing well. I'm Samy, welcome to this newest video. And for this video, I have an amazing announcement to make. So let's get started. So in the past few days, I have been experimenting with different genres of videos, different styles of videos, app reviews, different kinds of lifestyle videos, etc. However, I could see that those were not performing that well. Now, I decided to create a new channel totally for lifestyle videos, growth related tips, freelance related tips, how to get more clients, how to earn well, how to invest well, what are the best tips for growth, as well as some great app reviews which you must definitely use. So this channel is... So let me announce the channel Grow with Samy. And yes, this is a very cliche name as my name is already Samy, so I thought just keeping the name Samy will be just worth it. So do make sure to subscribe to this channel guys, it will mean a lot to me because we are starting from zero again from that channel itself. And this channel will be totally focused on transitions, tutorials on Ben TK style, Sam Colder style, GRL styles, etc. I'll make more detailed After Effects, Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro tutorials on this channel itself, on the basis of what it began with. It began with tutorials, right? So I will make more tutorials so that you guys can become better filmmakers, better video editors, and better content creators. So if you guys are interested on better filmmaking tips, stay tuned on this channel. Some crazy ones are coming really soon. Also, if you guys are interested on how to get more freelance clients, how to earn more, how to make a better earning on Fiverr and Upwork, how to grow as a YouTuber, how to grow as a person as well, how to invest well, then do make sure to subscribe to Grow It with Samy right now. The links are there in the description below. Again, it is not a compulsion for you guys to subscribe. Of course, it is totally up to you. However, I would definitely appreciate that if you guys subscribe to this channel. It will actually mean a world to me. What are you guys waiting for? Stay tuned. See you in the next one. Peace.